Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is 14th August. Tomorrow is 15th August, and today we are going to reveal you in front of everybody. Today's condition is really hostile. Bhubaneswar is suffering a chaotic condition due to the massive outbreak of swine flu. So let us come across and talk with people that what are their views, or what kind of problems they are facing regarding this new problem in this study. Please come on. आपको फिलहाल क्या information मिली है swine flu के बारे में?
स्वाइन फ्लू के बारे में इस समय जब तक हम देखे हैं कि टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखे हैं कि भुवनेश्वर में जो है ये स्वाइन फ्लू को लेकर के देख रहे हैं बढ़ते हुए कदम में 27 लोग को देखे हैं कि इससे स्वाइन फ्लू से डेथ हुआ है.
I don't know much about this swine flu, but recently I'm just hearing from people and from the television also. From any sort of communication I just come through. The swine flu is very highly contagious disease, and it it's spreading like anything.
I currently work in TCS, and yesterday only TCS organized a vaccine program. We were given a vaccine called Nascova, something like that. Nascova or Nasvoc. It's a nasal spray. We took it, and the side effects of the vaccine were like after taking the vaccine, we will be having within 3 to 4 days. We will be having running nose, and we will be having sneeze. Heavy head pain may come out. And the vaccination, whatever, even if we take an injection or a nasal spray, it will be effective after 21 days of taking that vaccination.
I think the KIT University is providing us with, like, they have their own medical college, the KIMS. So they are sending us the doctors in the hostels, and they are knowing how to take the precautionary measures, how कैसे अपन से बच सकते हैं, like आप मास्क पहनने के लिए, not going to the infected areas, taking vaccination लेने के लिए, and where they are readily available, then letting us know, and that's what I say.
We'll talk with some of our friends who are just stopping, staying in the classes, just stopping, bunking in the classes. They are scared for swine flu. Because please, we'll like to interact.
Very difficult to stay in Bhubaneswar. Very difficult. It's very difficult on behalf of the student to stay in Bhubaneswar when they are being attacked by swine flu since past 4 days.
So vaccination is not the ultimate route to cause out all these diseases. And any other manual protective measures, and what the hospital authority is doing to serve this purpose.
Okay, as you see, maximum students are acquiring the prevention measure. The main preventive measure is to evacuate. As a medical student, do you think that this is the right way, the right thing to have a choice for?
To go out
right
from the
to
and
get out from the hostels.
No, it's not the wrong way, but it is the right way, but not exactly.
Right now, we are standing in front of the Arches Gallery, which is really just inside the Patia in the KIT University campus. We'll get in and have our views of the customers and also the views of the main owner of this shop. And they will say us what kind of problems they are facing, or what kind of prevention measures they are taking for to prevent themselves from the swine flu.
Nothing like that. We are not. It's just a customer flow. We are not having proper. That's it. Remaining all students are going. There's no problem at all with that. Student, they can come anytime. Swine flu is a disease. We have taken ourselves. We have taken some injections and all that. What doctors have given us. That's it.
What types of steps you are adopting so that you can avoid swine flu?
We are going out in crowded places.
What?
We are going out in crowded places.
This is very contagious, we all know. Actually, they are the students of KIMS as well.
Oh, so you are teacher doctors.
Upcoming doctors, you see. And the next thing is that it is contagious. In fact, they are using hankies and in fact, we are also using this mask, and vaccine is also available in the market.
But we are running out of stock.
Yeah, that's the problem. In fact, हमने भी अभी तक vaccines नहीं लिए. In fact, available नहीं है. And as far as protection is concerned, hankies and this kind of masks are not preferred.
So what we can prefer? Can you suggest us?
And the mask, I mean,
You should wear proper mask. Proper swine flu mask. This is a proper normal mask.
It's better to not wear, In fact, you cannot. In fact, this swine flu is a kind of H1N1 virus.
Yeah.
This is totally useless.
This virus cannot prevent you from swine
This virus generally go to our liver and stay in 2 hours. Mainly from throat and nose.
Exactly. You know, this virus is, you can't say it living, either non-living. ये जाके प्रॉपर मीडिया में प्रोपोगेट करते हैं। और वैसे भी वायरस को आपका ये मास्क बचा नहीं सकता, इनफैक्ट हैंकीज भी नहीं बचा सकती। बट वी आर यूजिंग जस्ट फॉर आवर सेफ, कि हमें अंदर से महसूस हो रहा है कि हम प्रोटेक्ट।
हम लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे 3-4 स्कूल की लड़कियाँ बैठी हैं और ये सब लोग मास्क में हैं। तो ये लोग पर्सनली कुछ अवेयरनेस ऑलरेडी खुद में क्रिएट कर चुके हैं ताकि वो लोग स्वाइन फ्लू के हाथ से बच पाए। चलिए हम लोग इन लोगों से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं। इसमें आप लोग कौन से स्कूल से हो?
स्कूल नहीं, कॉलेज से हूँ।
कॉलेज से, अच्छा सॉरी,
कॉलेज से हूँ, इफ्सार कॉलेज कटक।
कटक से हो। तो तुम लोग क्या अभी स्कूल मतलब बंद करके यहाँ पे आ चुके हो?
नहीं, हमारा ट्रेनिंग है, समर प्रोजेक्ट।
अच्छा।
हम लोग इसीलिए हमारे कॉलेज की तरफ से हम लोग यहाँ पर।
तुम लोग के कॉलेज की तरफ से कुछ स्पेशल मेजर्स लिया गया है ताकि तुम लोग स्वाइन फ्लू के हाथ से
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
या फिर तुम लोगों ने खुद कुछ लिया है जैसे ये मास्क पहनना और कुछ खुद ब खुद कुछ पर्सनल?
नहीं, यहाँ पर बिग बाजार के सर लोग ने प्रोवाइड किए हैं हम लोगों को मास्क।